Welcome to room 7302. This is an amazing suite for couples and for families. Walk in, you've got this beautiful living room, little dining room, a dining table set up. Looks like I got a little champagne gift there as well, which I'm appreciative for. This is a pull-out sofa, really comfortable. I've already sat down on it for a few minutes. Two lovely little coffee tables. Got your mini bar, some storage space, and a big television. So that is a pull-out sofa. Will sleep two people very comfortably. And then you come into the bedroom and you have this big, beautiful king bed, side tables, reading lights. You've got a desk area, another television in this room as well, little storage spot. And I'm going to move along to one of the two bathrooms in this suite. This is an ensuite. Walk in and you have this big, beautiful vanity, double sink, little makeup station with the makeup mirror, a little stool. As they pan back around over the sink, you also have a big mirror there. Hey there, Sunseekers. We'll take a look at the shower. Big, beautiful shower, rainwater shower head, handheld nozzle, and the premium bath products. I'll pop in here quickly. This is just the toilet area. I like to show everything. It's the toilet area. When I come back out, you will see the amazing storage area, closet area, right within the ensuite washroom here. Two beautiful robes, lots of hangers, shelving. You've got a steamer there as well, so if any of your clothes need to be pressed, you can use that steamer. Coming out of the ensuite, we're back into the main bedroom. Again, that big, beautiful king bed. Into the living area, you've got a dining table, your sofa, and of course, yes, there is a fully closed door between the two spaces as well. So if you do have some other people sleeping in the living area, you can both have your privacy. And as I walk back towards the main door, this is the second washroom. So a slightly smaller storage area here. You get your shelves, you've got your safe in there. Vanity with a single sink. Open up and you've got the toilet area that also includes a bidet. And last but not least is the second shower space. Rainwater shower head, handheld nozzle, and I've opened the sliding door from the bedroom. It's a big, beautiful balcony. You've got a soaker tub, two chairs, a table, and the sliding doors here, which open up from the living area, also feature two chairs and a table. I'm going to walk back to the very far corner of this balcony, and you can see the sheer size of this balcony. It's absolutely massive. But the highlight has to be the soaker tub. Just steps away from your bedroom. I'm going to go back into the main living space. And again, you can just get a sense for the sheer size of this suite. Living area here, bedroom area here. This is a preferred club premium garden suite with tropical view.